Hello Nomadians, I'm Kaushik Das, you are watching Nomadic Life. We have been invited to Hero Xpulse Xtrack rally, which was organized by Hero Motor Corp in Bannerghatta, Area 83. Area 83 is 150 kilometers away from Mysuru. We started early in the morning so that we reach on time, and we took part via Nice Road from Bangalore-Mysuru Road. After a ride of 3 hours, we reached this well-organized event. This event didn't have any registration fees. Anyone with a valid DL can participate. After reaching this event venue, we received our registration number and they will brief about the dirt track and safety measures to be taken. This event was crowded by off-road motorcycle lovers. I can see more than 200 riders participated.
Because I take a lot of trainings off-roads, so whenever I have to do a trail run, I always pick up an off-road for Hero Xpulse. The reason being because it's light, it's fragile, it's controlled, and it doesn't have a ABS. Or the new one has a ABS which you can switch it off. So off-roads is more without ABS, so you can control pretty well, you can do some drifts. And at the same time, I feel that this bike has more capacity to really let a person not to lose so easily on the off-roads. So even for a shorter person or a taller person or a heavier to a lighter, everybody can manage this bike. So that's why, and I've taken this bike on Sikkim. I did a Sikkim ride in 2019. So I did 15 days of entire Sikkim on Xpulse 200.
What is the difference between 4-valve and 2-valve?
Okay, sir, 4-valve you will be getting a raw with the initial you'll be having top initial, whereas in 2-valve it's a raw power actually. Comparing to BHP wise, 4V has a more BHP than the 2V. Due to that, we have two varieties. Like most of the customer will be preferring for the long ride, and most of the customer will be going for the city use. For city use, main thing will be preferred will be 2V, and for a longer purpose, we will be preferring 4V, sir.
ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಜಿನ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಸ್ಮೂತ್ ಇದೆ, ಜನರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾನೀಗ ವೀಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಒಬ್ಬನೇ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ರಸ್ತೆ ಅದು ಡೆಡ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಇದೆ, ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡ್ಯೂಕ್ ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪಲ್ಸ್ ಈಸಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ವೀಲಿ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, ಈಸಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ.
Best part of the event is you will get chance to ride all new Hero Xpulse 4-valve in an actual dirt track like a track racer. Finally, the moment of truth is here. I suit up to get some dirt. Hero Xpulse is for those who choose to carve their own path. With oil-cooled, powerful 200cc engine and with unmatched stability, high ground clearance of 220 mm, terrain doesn't matter. You can take it anywhere, anytime with absolute control over the bike. Thanks to the low weight and stunning looks, make it to stand out in the crowd. Overall, Xtrack is an adventurous experience on the Hero Xpulse 200 4-valve. Riding it on a track gives a real thrilling experience. With an expert training and well-organized event, we were nearly satisfied. If you like this video, please do share and subscribe. Let the nomad grow. And don't forget to share your opinion about Hero Xpulse 200 4-valve in the comment.